What's up, everybody? BVF Collection here, back at it again with another unboxing. Don't mind the other stuff around here. Just haven't gotten around to moving things away off of the bed. But we're gonna open this $30 steal. I repeat, I got a steal. Oh, there it is. It's the red. Oh snap! It's the red outline. Embroidered outline for $30. Retail for $160. Ooh, I'm liking it. I'm liking what I see. The only issue that I know about this is the tag. It doesn't have the tag. You cut it off. But this thing looks freaking phenomenal. Looks like in immaculate condition. No loose threading. Very happy about that. Let's check the inside. Ooh, the inside's soft. I did not expect that. I was expecting a different type of blank. Look at this goofy guy. He cut it off. So that's where the tag would be. But luckily, we still have this tag to show that it's real. Alright, that's it really. Thanks for watching. I think there's a chip in here. I got one of the ones with the chip. It's got a chip. I can use this on the app and make sure it's authentic. That's actually dope. Because it doesn't, have the tag anymore. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm gonna try this bad boy on. It's a large, by the way. Peace.